Hey everybody, welcome back to Bearded Goblin Gaming. Today we're going to go ahead and make some chemical totes for scattered terrain for a lot of your modern war games. They work good for line of sight blockers and just look good on the table. What I start with is some 1-inch insulation board, whether it's blue, pink, or whatever you're going to use. And I use my ruler here. It's 1.16" wide. So I'll just cut just a long strip off the board and then go down and just cut them 1/16 wide. From there, I'll usually go down. I like to cut mine with a 45 on the corners. The real life totes, they're, a heat formed plastic, so they pretty much get all kinds of different shapes and everything out of them. So any kind of design you want to do. After that, I usually take some of these little files and you can go right across the top and just kind of cut into it. Give it a quick sand. You can do a cross pattern if you want. You can go down the sides. Just make them look as interesting as you want. And then you're going to want to pick one side, cut just a little door into there. Make sure your blade's sharp. This one's ready to be changed, but see, it's got just that little bit of angle there. Then I have these little party straws. They're about 1/8 of an inch across. You can get them in a pretty big box, and you can just take these and just spin them right in. They'll cut right in. You can actually use these to go through, and you can make, if you can see that perfect circle there, you can stamp those out and make tubes of the foam. So usually once I get to that point, I'll take my sander and just kind of cut into the bottom. You can use a pin too. I mean, it's probably going to make a cleaner hole like that. And then I like to use these little hex nuts just to weight them down. You can get the big kits. You can see I've used most of them out of there. And just push them in, and once we get to the heat glue, the hot glue section, then you can just hot glue them in. So after this, you're going to go and you can, I usually do it after, but you can take these the little craft sticks, and this is what I use to simulate the palette, and just hot glue them on the bottom. You can do this before or after. I usually wait until after, but I do the black paint and Mod Podge. Put those in there. Once the hole's cut, you're going to put your straw back in. You can hot glue that in. I got another one here. Of course, now I won't be able to find them. Well, here's one with it glued on. You can see the straw sticking out the back where I've actually just cut out a square for the weight. And after that, with the black, you're going to paint it white, yellow. These come in all different kinds of colors, so it's completely up to you on how you want. My first set is white. I'm going to go with probably a creamy yellow for the second, so I have a little variety on the table. And once you get to that point, I like to use this fiber tape, and you're just going to take a chunk of it, go ahead and cut it off there. Now you can get 2 layers of this that'll actually hold 2 pallets, and you just wrap that around. It's self-sticking, so adding a little glue when you're done will be better. This one I went on the corner. Usually I'd start like in the middle of the one side of it, usually in the back, and go around like that. Go ahead and cut off your excess there, and then actually go around the bottom. Cut off all your excess. Now you can set that aside for your next one, because if you're doing them in batches, you're just going to be go, go, go. Go ahead and cut out part around your nozzle here. That way that shows through. And then what I did, I took a hole punch and just took some card and put my top cap on there. Be any color you want. They come in different colors out that too. For the valve, all it is just a red paint. You don't have to do anything fancy. It's going to show up as a valve anyway. But there you go. There's the finished product. Like I said again, this, if you want this to be in different colors, I did this in a gray. It looks perfectly fine in the off-white, and especially if you're doing like a cream colored tote itself, it should look pretty good. If you are going to paint them different colors, just put the piece of fiber tape down on a piece of cardboard, paint the whole thing, peel it up, and it's good to go. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and comment if you'd like. I'll answer any questions you might have, anything you might want to see. I'm hoping to do these modern terrain videos weekly, and thanks for watching.